Just push the button once and I'll give her a push down.
Okay.
Annie, come on, I'll give you another push. Over here, babe.
Give me a push.
Come on, I'll give you a push.
Okay,
Sit down. Ready? Set, go!
Hi.
watch out for Damien.
Whoa.
Okay, huh? Okay.
Belly first. Come on, Anna,
You're
Leo.
gonna hurt
On
your
your belly.
butt. You don't have to run from so far
On
away.
your belly.
Yeah, Dee, you're going to get
Ready?
all worn out.
Set, go!
Oh.
Nice.
Good one.
Very good.
You're covered with grass.
Okay.
On your belly.
Oh.
Whoa, that hurts.
Okay, don't do that anymore. You're gonna hurt yourself.
R. No,
Come on, I'll give you a push. Sit down and I'll give you a push. Just sit down right here, bud.
The big guy, he wants to
Uh-oh.
run. And he jumped in the pool now. No, I didn't. Look out, Grandpa. Look out.
Ready? On your belly? Ready, set, go! Frog!
Good job.
Grandma, give me a push.
Okay, come back, kid.
Hold on.
I'm up.
On your belly?
worry about it. No.
Oh man, that hurts the bone.
I'm
Trying to jump.
Oh my God!
Okay, now
Be careful, you guys.
Damien's trying to dunk his head in the pool.